How to fix Bluetooth not working on iPhone. The first thing I would suggest you do is update your iPhone. Click on settings, and if there's any update, it's going to show software update available. Click on it and update your iPhone. Even after updating your iPhone, if your problem is still not fixed, switch off your iPhone, turn it on again. Sometimes just doing that fixes your issue. If it's still not fixed, click on settings, scroll down until you see screen time and click on it. Scroll down and click in content and privacy restrictions. Scroll down until you see Bluetooth sharing and click on it. Make sure it isn't allow changes. Once you do that, basically it should work. And if it still doesn't work, the next thing you can do is inside your settings, scroll down until you see general and click on it. Inside general, scroll down until you see transfer or reset iPhone at the bottom and click on it. And over here, click on reset and click on reset network setting and it should fix it. If it's still not fixed, you need to take your iPhone into like Apple Care Center to fix it because something might be wrong, like, physically. You cannot fix something that's physically wrong from like software. So you need to take it to a professional. Hope you understand. Subscribe to our channel for more.